Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to reduce a noise from your audio file. Generally, we are receiving audio files including the noises, unwanted noises. In most of the cases we need to reduce the noises, then only we can use that file in our project. By using Audacity we can reduce the noise easily. I will show you how to do this. Just open your Audacity software. After that, open your selected file, which one you want to reduce the noise. I already created a one sample file, so I will show you for demo purpose. You can use your original file. Okay, this is a file I want to reduce the noise. Okay, this file, yeah. So this is a very long file. First we need to copy a single piece, some little bit, a small piece of noise, just copy. After that we apply the whole audio file, then automatically the noise will be reduced. Just you copy a small piece of part in the audio file, then you go to the effect, noise reduction, get noise profile. If you click this button, the Audacity will capture the selected area noises. Then after that we will apply to the whole project. Get noise profile. So the Audacity capture that part. After that just click here. The whole file will be selected. Then again you go to effect. Then noise reduction. Then just click OK. Now the noise are reduced. You can get the clear file without your selected noise part. Okay, this is a method to reduce the noise in your audio file. Thanks for watching. See you again in another video.